I was gonna try it with my best friend, but it's okay. It smells good. I thought it smelled like chicken for a minute. I'd freak out. I want to make a mess in my car. Okay. It actually do taste good. I really don't want to make a mess in my car. It's not as crunchy as I wanted it to be. Okay. What the hell is this in the middle? Oh. So apparently there's a pretzel in here. I personally think no need for a pretzel. No, let me break. Oh. That's what I thought. So y'all can see. I don't ruin the whole fucking ice cream to show y'all. The pretzel is the bone. Makes sense. Don't like it. Pretzel tastes stale. I don't know. It's alright. I don't like the pretzel. I think the pretzel. Kill this. Eat quickly. Chocolate pretzel bone. Says it right here.